Hello YouTubers and VTubers, how are you doing? It's a mail call or shavage, whichever you want to call it. Maybe the last one in this year, we'll see. Every time I buy something I feel guilty. So I have a lot of obligations to baby and paying down the loan and everything. I guess it's ridiculous, but it is what it is. Shavage, Pepsi, used to love this stuff. Drank it a lot before in the old days. My friend said, yeah, you must drink Pepsi, not cola. So I drank Pepsi. A lot. Well, not a lot, but just a plain regular buck knife. And here we got the mail. Comes in a shoebox. Looks like some orange or something. It's the code. Seems real wrapped, and it's got the careful glass. Yeah, there you see. Shoes. So she wrapped it up. Yeah, there's some on the Norwegian page. She had like a auctions or something, and I didn't have so much money right there and then, but I put in a bid, and she had some other stuff I wanted to buy too. So, well, I put in a bid and I won. Orange shoes. Gillette with foam. And a platinum blade. I don't know if I could try to take it out and see. It's like so. And there is the slim twist. Yeah, it looks brand new, if not new, never used. Platinum blade too. I do have one of these from before. And there. And the sound of it sounds like brand new. Never been used. So that's that. And let's see. Well, let's see if I can get it out. I know I should do this, but since it's not plastic sealed, it's okay. And it's full. And it's full. I can feel the weight. See there. Regular foamy, Gillette foamy. Let's see. You still can smell it actually. but I'm not going to use it. I might sell this one since I have this set from before. So we'll see. So it does have some price tag there, as you can see. Okay, next. Let's see. It's a tech, and probably not been used either, but looks like some pitting on the blade or on the top there. As you can see, still wrapped somewhat. So there. There. And let's see what we have here. Old Spice. And it's actually sealed, I think now. Let's see. It's open there. Let's see. There we go. Still full. Old Spice. And the deal. There. Let's see. And here, wrap. News. Or yet. That's news. Let's see. There. And the blade is actually wrapped. There. You can see. Still wrapped. Brand new. Yeah, it's it's in really good condition. Shiny. Tight. I don't think it's ever been used. Damn it. I paid $240, I think it was. Maybe that was for those two over here, the sets. I didn't pay that much for this one either. So I made a good deal. Dang. There you go. Only thing is this one. It's not that good, but it's okay. wrap to come off. Let's see. There's 2 of these blades. That is I haven't seen before. They come like that. So that's interesting. But it's a little bit pitted there, I don't know why. We'll see. So, hope you enjoy the mail call. Maybe I will put it out for some of these for sale. I might even keep this one for myself. This one is goodbye. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. And hope you stay healthy and free from COVID. I know it's not so bad if you had the vaccines, at least for me. Luckily didn't end up at the hospital. So I'm grateful for that. So, yeah, that was the mail call. Yeah, I think it was a good deal I paid. Sometimes I pay the same or similar amount for a razor. It's only one, and so this was a good buy, I think, more or less. Anyway, take care, and we'll see you again in another shaver. I know I need one. I didn't have time to shave today. We had to go to the doctor, and my daughter was sick last night. I only slept 1 hour, and now she's sleeping. She had fever yesterday, and we wasn't sure if it was the ear inflammation. And everything checked out today, maybe it was a virus, but not sure. Couldn't get a good answer, or maybe it's some teeth growing out. I don't know. Hard to say. But anyway, take care, everybody. And may you all have solid shaves. Bye now.